So crypto is currently in a bloodbath. Should you sell all of your crypto? Wait till the end and I'll give you the exact strategy you need in order to make the most amount of money possible. Trust me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are currently listening, please go give it a share with some of your friends and spread the word about how we can all become better entrepreneurs and better business owners and really better family members all around. And this is the podcast you listen to make sure you can hit that next level. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We wouldn't be able to do it all without you. All right, so crypto's in a bloodbath. Everybody's freaking out. I know Luna and Terra, they had this shit where probably that shit's going down. It's supposed to be tethered to the US dollar. In all reality, it's not. And if you bought that, I'm sorry. I think it's personally gone forever. And there's not going to be a whole lot of faith in the asset anymore. But no need to fear. You want to know why? Because in everything, if you hold, you can't lose. All right? HODL, hold, whatever it is. And majority of the people who are buying stuff, I'm not talking to you shitcoin people. I think you guys know how to flip shit, get in and get out. But if you're buying real estate, if you're buying crypto, if you're buying, let's say like blue chip stocks, everything typically goes up over time and appreciates. Like I think the S&P 500 goes up 8% a year. Real estate goes up over the last 2 years. I know has gone up in some markets like 30 to 40%, like something fucking crazy. And the same with cryptocurrency. Yeah, it's really volatile because it's the very beginning, but in all reality, it's going to go back up. Like with me, I didn't sell any crypto. If anything, I'm going to buy more right now just for the fact that it's a bloodbath. You can get in while it's dirt cheap. I saw Cardano was like 60 or 30 cents. I can't remember this morning. I really like Cardano. I saw Ethereum is back down at 2,500. It hasn't been at 2,500 in really about a year. Bitcoin's at 30. Like when was the last time Bitcoin was at $30,000? And so take it with a grain of salt. Yeah, I know you're seeing red, everything is over, but just hold it, dude. Like it's not, I always tell people don't invest money that you need right now. Everything that I invest is money that I can lose. So whatever you're doing, yeah, fucking crypto's down, stock market's down. Don't worry about it. Hold it. Because let's say in 10 years, what do you think Bitcoin's going to be worth? Like if you think about it on that type of time horizon, you're going to have a completely different viewpoint and you're going to feel a lot better than as if like, oh my God, I need to sell now. It's fucked. It's really hard to do. I'll admit that. Like it's really hard to hold stuff for a long period of time. That's why I like Hex, because Hex makes you lock in for certain staking periods. And like you're not going to get, if you unstake early, then you lose your money. And so it makes people stay in, because that is the number one thing that people get out of. And why most people are like, oh, well, if I would have held that land for the last 50 years, I'd have been fine. In all reality, most of us, I think real estate investors hold a asset for just about 7 years. I'm probably pulling that out of my ass. But like if you don't plan on holding the asset for 7 years, don't worry about it. I don't even know where I was going with that. So most people are like, oh, well, if I would have held that piece of land for the last 50 years, I would have been fine. Most of us who are investors, entrepreneurs, or anything else, like we're going to move stuff around because we see a better opportunity. With real estate, you can buy and wait. And I feel the same way with crypto, and I feel the same way with stocks. I have taken a lot different approach to, yeah, we flip houses and we wholesale houses and we'll move into doing that with businesses. But in all reality, when I'm buying real estate, I want B to A class assets that I could just hold forever that I know are good, like the Grant Cardone model. One of my good friends, Henry Washington, and I'll put this into example for you with cryptocurrency. He buys in B class and A class neighborhoods, and he's like, I don't care if it fucking breaks even. I know I'm going to make my gains over time over the next 20 years, and I'm not selling it. The thing about crypto, I could say in the good ones, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, I do believe in Hex, Phantom, those ones, right? Bro, if we hold it for the next 10 years, we're going to be fine. Like it's going to go up. If anything, you should be buying it right now. So don't freak out that the crypto market is an absolute bloodbath. You're going to be okay. I promise you, you are going to be okay. HODL, 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 and take this mentality in anything. When we are buying assets, number one, do not spend money that you can't afford to lose. And when you're looking at everything, look at it with a longer time horizon than fucking 6 months. With me, whenever I'm buying stuff, I'm looking at it as a forever time horizon just to add to my net worth. With the things that we buy now, typically, unless we go into it 100% planning on flipping it, then I want to hold this thing forever, refinance it. Or let's say in 10 years, I'd like to look at it with the minimum of a 10-year time horizon. Okay, I can package up whatever assets this is and whatever asset class it is. Let's say it's stock, let's say it's crypto, let's say it's real estate, let's say it's business, and whatever I want to package up over that 10-year, I see it, I can bundle it up, I can sell it out a multiple that I'm happy with, and I know I can put it in a better vehicle that's going to perform better. That is generally the only time I would consider selling. Hope this helps out with your investing and business strategies. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Have a great day. Hey guys, I'm making a massive push on Instagram. I want to get to 100,000 followers organically by the end of the year. And the only way I'm going to do that is by you guys sharing my content. So please go give me a follow on Instagram and share whatever videos on there that you see are valuable to you. Share it to your story. Thank you so much.